the IATA, which is the umbrella body of all travel agents, according to sources, has suspended Kingfisher Airlines ticket sales, and the affiliated travel agents are not to sell the Kingfisher Airlines tickets. Now, this is going to come as a big blow to the company. Let's take it straight to Samir Hashmi for all the exclusive details on the same. Samir, what are you picking up?
Well, that's right, Awan. As you mentioned, now IATA, which is affiliated to a majority of the travel agents, the organized travel agents, they have suspended Kingfisher from selling air tickets of Kingfisher Airlines. What this essentially means is that as a passenger of Kingfisher, if I go to any IATA travel agent and want to book a Kingfisher ticket, I won't get it from that IATA approved travel agent. I'll have to directly go to a Kingfisher, or Kingfisher will have to get into a direct arrangement with all the other airlines, respective airlines. Only then they can issue. So clearly this will be a big blow, because remember, most of the tickets that are bought through IATA travel agents. Whether you talk about corporate travels, you talk about so many online portals, they all are IATA approved travel agents, and only then they are allowed to issue tickets. So what will happen is, now customers, if they really want to buy a Kingfisher ticket, they'll have to go to a Kingfisher website or to a Kingfisher directly ticket counter. Or if Kingfisher has entered into a bilateral agreement with one of the airlines, say XYZ, that airline is then issuing a Kingfisher ticket. So this will be a big blow for them, because as I mentioned earlier, 80% of any airline ticket in India, 80 to 85% is done via travel agents or online portals, and not directly from the airline. So this is a big blow for them. Remember, their occupancy levels have been low for a while, especially after their flights were halted in a long time. IATA had been giving them warnings also for quite a few months. They were supposed to be part of that Star One alliance, which was supposed to happen in January. That didn't happen because of the same issue. It was suspended, or rather put on hold, for 6 to 8 months, because Star One also felt that Kingfisher needs time to stabilize itself. So clearly, if you look that ways, flying in terms of their sales distribution will become difficult, whether it was the Star One Airlines and now IATA. Big blow for Kingfisher Airlines. Sources are telling us they weren't expecting this, Kingfisher Airlines. But now what will be the next step is interesting to be seen from their side.